so dim. Hey, welcome to today's vlog. Today is going to be, sorry I'm talking so quiet, it's like 7:30 a.m. and I don't want to wake up my roommates, but I'm getting up early because I'm going back home today for Christmas break. I'm so excited to see my family and tell them everything that I've done the past 4 months in school. Yeah, I'm really excited. I just got all my stuff ready and I'm making some breakfast. I just packed some snacks for the flight. It's my first time on an airplane. Very excited, kind of nervous. Hopefully I don't, it's my first time going inside the Toronto airport, so hopefully I don't get lost. But yeah, I wanted to share this journey with you. I'm very excited. So yeah, I have to be there for like 8:30. I'm gonna take a cab. It's only like an 8-minute drive.
I will sneak out the back. I'll swipe Shirley's rascal and drive to the train station.
Okay, see you later.
Right. I just got off the phone with my mom and I'm gonna finish getting ready. Here is the outfit of the day. I got my jeans from somewhere, I can't remember. This from thrift store and this from my friend Laura. I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I'm gonna call the cab. Let's go. Goodbye, room. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Let's go. Just waiting for the taxi. It's here. Hi. Okay, it is 8:42 here in London, Ontario, and now I just went through security and now I have to sit here for the next 2 hours. So I'm gonna charge up my phone. There's a thing right here, so that's awesome. I'm just gonna hang out here, read a book. 10:45, we are going to Toronto because I have a layover, and then I will take Toronto to Fredericton. Pretty Christmas tree.
Les démonstrations suivantes sur les mesures de sécurité propres à cet appareil. Veuillez maintenant retirer vos écouteurs branchés à un appareil électronique portatif. To release it, lift the... If there is a need to evacuate the aircraft, leave your baggage behind.
The new carpool lane open from Milton to here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why we don't.
Okay, so update, it is 3:40 something and I just got to the Toronto airport. Didn't end up taking a plane from London to Toronto because there was something wrong with the plane and they tried taking off like twice or like 3 times and it wouldn't work. So they canceled the flight and there was supposed to be another one to Toronto at 7:30, but then it was booked. It was like full, and then there was another one at like 9:45 and it was also full. So they sent me in a cab to the Toronto airport. I fell asleep for like the whole thing. It was nice. So now I just went through security and I am hungry. I'm at my gate, D40 or D22, and now I have like 2 hours to just do whatever. There's like very few like places to eat, so I'm gonna go and eat something and then just chill out.
At any moment now. In the meantime, please sit back, relax, and we'll get you on your way here as soon as we can. Thanks.
Utiliser la liseuse au-dessus de votre tête. Merci.
Hello. So, it is now 3:36 a.m. and I have finally got home to New Brunswick. Oh my gosh, that was a crazy journey. I'll tell you all about it tomorrow. I'm so tired. I slept my second flight. So I went from Toronto to Montreal and then from Montreal to Moncton, and then my parents picked me up in Moncton and we had about a 2.5 hour drive. I slept the whole way. I think I passed out like within 5 minutes of being in the car. We just got home. I just said hi to my dog and cat. I cannot wait to go to sleep and not wake up for like 10 hours. Just get it long. Good night. Alright guys, so that is going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also turn on that post notifications bell so you know when I upload. And follow my stuff down below if you would like. I got Instagram and TikTok, and I think that's everything. I hope you guys like this vlog. Sorry if it's really short. It's Christmas Eve right now, and I ever since I've been here, I've just been relaxing and hanging out with my family, and it's just been really fun and really nice to have a break. That first semester was so busy, but it was also so much fun, and I cannot wait to go back for a second semester. But I want to, enjoy time with my family. I'm gonna try and get a few more holiday videos up before December's over. Hope you all have a very Merry Christmas Eve and a very Merry Christmas. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.